铁冶炼的第一步就是炼铁，将石灰石、焦炭、铁矿石混合放入高炉中炼化成铁水这样的热金属，铁水会被送往炼钢厂作为炼钢的原料。接下来，让我们走进炼钢厂，一起看看人工智能是如何助力钢铁成材的吧。
The hot metal is transported to one of 3 rails in the operation area by cross-rail transporter. After that, 3 large metallurgical cranes in the workshop handle the ladles of hot metal. The height of the crane in the workshop was about 25 meters, so it's not clear for us to see the driver inside the cab while we are standing on the ground, and it is also difficult for the driver to see clearly hooks and hanging objects on the ground because the cab is too high. There are potential risks during the smelting process. If the hook is just sticking the ladle, a little vibration will cause the ladle to fall off. Therefore, an observer is arranged to assist the driver, which is equivalent to the eyes of the driver. When the driver has poor vision, it is highly risky to rely on his own intuition to operate the hook. Therefore, dynamic tracking system for crane hooks allows the operator to see all the perspectives of whole operation process, to ensure production safety. Now let's go and see how it works. The driver will use the hook to hang the lifting lug of the molten iron ladle on the transfer train. The camera's lens automatically zooms in, allowing the driver to see at a glance the AI overlay toggle displayed in the center of monitor. The position of the crane's hook and lifting lugs are clearly visible. The above 2 images are the overlooking view of the camera mounted on the crane, which is convenient for the driver to make preliminary alignment of the hook. The following 2 pictures are the views of ground camera, which assists the driver to accurately align and confirm that the hook has been firmly hooked on the iron ladle's lug. 1 screen, for images, the entire screen has no extra images to interfere with the driver's operation.
铁水接收区一共有12个工位，我们是怎么做到精准确定2个地面画面的呢？那就是智能定位与视觉 AI 技术的融合创新。
The hook is located through AI cameras. This solution provides accurate auxiliary information, so that the driver can get all the views he needs at the same time, and the operation is much efficient and easier. When the lug is hooked up, the crane is ready to lift the ladle. At this time, the AI cameras will automatically zoom out to ensure that the driver can see the surrounding environment, and they will also rotate with the movement of the hot metal, always maintaining the best viewing for the driver. After the hot metal is transported to the designated location, the driver needs to withdraw the hook from the lug. If the position of hook retreat is not right, there will be potential safety risks. So in the past, the observer on the ground would direct the crane driver to carry out the operation of unhooking. With the application of the AI system, the driver is allowed to see whether the hook is lower than the lug at a glance from the screen, giving the driver a more reliable reminder. 1 ladle often needs to be moved within 20 minutes. In the case of heavy production work of ground personnel, the application of AI driving assistance system can help operators speed up the ladle handling and meet high efficiency and high safety requirements.